So, many people don't even know that we use laser in dentistry, but there is so many things that we can do. We use laser for fillings. We use for frenectomy, fibroma removal. We can use for treatment of aphthous ulcers. Well, there are endless treatments that we can do, and it's very safe. So you might have gone to the dentist and they explain that you need a gum surgery where they have to do it the traditional way, where they have to use, they get you numb, they have to use a blade, and then the post-op is gonna be very painful. But what they haven't tell you is that when you go to a dentist that have the technology like the Solea laser, number one, the numbing is almost just with topical anesthesia. And then after that, you use the laser. It's very quick, it's very efficient, and the post op is mainly no pain after all. It's very safe. So it's a big difference from traditional dentistry without laser when you compare with the use of the laser. If your child is very afraid to go to the dentist, the Solea lasers will change the whole experience for your child. Why? Because we are able to perform dentistry very quick and efficient. A lot of times our patients numb. When they're comfortable, we use the laser. If they need to have fillings done, it's very quick, efficient. There is no numbing, no drooling, no pain, and they are happy campers. A lot of people don't know that they can get a very good treatment for their canker sore under 2 minutes. So basically, a lot of people suffer from canker sores, very painful. So with Solea laser, what we do, get the patient in, and then with very low power, we go ahead and we treat the area under 2 minutes. And what basically it does is that this laser energy kill bacteria, kill viruses, and also stimulate blood flow in the area, and the patient will feel better and it heals faster. So getting a old filling replaced, it was the worst appointment for me as a dentist because I have to use the drills, and sometimes there was this big, big silver filling or this big, big resin composite fillings, and we have to drill and drill. It was so uncomfortable for the patient. But with the Solea laser, it's amazing because it takes under 5 minutes with the laser. Well, the resin composite is like butter, but also with the amalgam, you go around the tooth and that things pops off and it's just quick, effective, and the patients love it. We love it. It's win-win for everybody. What if you can have 3 procedures done before lunch without getting numb? So with the Solea laser, because we have the ability that we don't have to get the patient numb, we're ready right away. So we don't have to wait for the patient to get numb. We come in, we start with the laser, and we start getting all these cavities taken care of, quick, efficient, and you're done. And the patient is like, that's it. If you have been avoiding the dentist because of the sound of the drill or the shots, I have good news for you. With the Solea laser, we don't actually have to get you numb. Well, some of the patients that have a lot of anxiety, they may need to get numb, but for most of the patients, we can do the procedures without getting them numb. And obviously, you're not going to have the sounds of the drill because with the laser, you can do many procedures that years ago will take like longer appointments, divide in different appointments, because if it's so fast and effective, we can get so much done. And my patients, they love it. You will love it too.